Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today I want to talk to you about the installation of a superior DRT3500 model fireplace. So our first thing we're going to take a look at is the venting options. So you have both rear and top venting. Depending on which configuration that you have chosen, you will have your installer remove the cap. There will also be a layer of insulation that will need to be removed depending on which one you have chosen. Once that insulation has been removed, your installer can install a vent pipe and the fireplace will operate properly. Once the venting has been installed, remove our mesh barrier and our glass door. That'll give us access to our gas lines, that'll give us access to electrical, that'll give us access to the blower, as well as access to where the insulation for the gas logs is going to go. Now that we have the fireplace open and access to all of the components, we're going to install our gas line. Our gas line will be installed typically on the right hand side, can be installed on the left if you need. There's going to be a sticker. The sticker is going to say remove this before installing your gas line. Behind the sticker is a big hole. That's where you run your gas line. Once your gas line has been installed by your professional installer, you're going to work on the electrical. On the right hand side of this fireplace is that panel. You're going to screw off that panel and you're going to find an existing junction box. Your installer will wire in standard house power or 110 power directly into this junction box. That will power up your control module, your blower, as well as your lights. Once those three components have been powered up, your installer will grab this wire harness and run it through this hole on this right hand side up to 6 feet away. That's where you will wire in your receiver box. That receiver box will be the main source of operation for your fireplace. During the unboxing, we removed a piece of cardboard that protected the front of the fireplace. It had a couple of components. We're going to talk about those right now. The first component we're going to talk about looks like this. There are two of these. These are used as a shield to protect the heat coming off of the elbow. So they will be installed on the front and then above the top of the elbow. The second piece is a non-combustible board. The non-combustible piece is installed right here and is designed to keep the clearances to combustibles intact. Our next component is the hood. This hood is designed to be installed in this open gap right here. It is a requirement for this fireplace. The point of it is to deflect any kind of heat coming right off of the glass. It hits the hood and comes outward as opposed to going straight up the wall. That is going to keep our clearances in check. Our final step will be to install our media. This fireplace comes with gas logs and burning embers. Please install both of these components according to the installation manual. That's important simply because this fireplace has been specifically engineered with the media in a very particular place. The reason behind that is both safety and flame presentation. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the installation of the superior DRT3500 model fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904. Any of our specialists would love to chat with you. Or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.